solving two equations in two variables, both of them of first degree. What the meaning of solving two equations in two variables? That means we have two variables like x and y. Usually it will be x and y, and solving equation means to find the value of x and y that makes the two equations true. What does it mean? It means satisfy both of them, or the two equations. Simultaneous equation means we need to solve, or we have two equations and both of them of first degree with two unknowns, and both of them of first degree like x and y. We need to solve them or to find the values for x and y which satisfy both of them or both equations in, say, at the same time. That means x and y satisfy the first one and the second one at the same time. Let's have an example for system of linear equation. Here we have 3x plus 2y equal 14, 2x plus 5y equal 3. Both of them of first degree and two unknowns, which are x and y. Type. We need to find the ordered pair or the values of x and y which satisfy both equations or this system, right? If I said 4, 1 is a solution for this system, that means 4, 1 satisfy the first equation and second one. Let's see, 3 times 4 plus 2 times 1, put x equal 4 and y equal 1. The answer will be 14. That makes the first one true, right? Then 2 times 4 plus 5 times 1 minus 5 times 1 equal 3. That makes the second one is also true, right? So I can say that 4, 1 is a solution for the system. Type. Let's check 0, 7 or verify that 0, 7 is not a solution for the system. Type. Let's substitute with 0 and 7. 3 times 0 plus 2 times 7 equal 14. Satisfy the first one, right? But 2 times 0 plus 5 times 7 equal negative 35, not 3, right? So that means 0, 7 is not a solution for the system. We have three methods of solving system or two equations of linear equations of two variables. Maybe graphically or algebraically. Graphically means you have to graph both lines, and algebraically you have two methods. One of them is substitution and the other is elimination or omitting method. Let's start with graphing method. We are going to graph or solve any of the two equations for x or y, then graph each equation, and of course we have an intersect point. This intersect point is the solution of the system. Type. We need to know that we have three types of system or three types of solution. After graphing the two lines, maybe the two lines intersect at one point, so we have only one solution for this system or for these two lines, or the two lines are coincident, means when we graph both of them, the result will be only one straight line. That means we have infinite number of solutions. Any point lie on the straight line is a solution for the system. Or maybe the two lines are parallel, so we don't have any solution. That means the solution set equal phi. Let's have an example. Here we have x minus y equal negative 1 and 2x plus y equal 4. We need to solve the two equations graphically. Okay? Type. Let's graph the first line which is x minus y equal -1. I can substitute in the equation like this, put values for x and y, find the corresponding for y, or you can solve for x or for y. يعني maybe I can say that x equal -1 plus y, or y equal x plus 1. When I remove y to the other side, it will be y, and the other side will be x plus 1. Right. Let's start with point for x and find the corresponding for y. Maybe x equals 0, then 0 plus 1, it will be 1. Maybe x equal 1, so 1 plus 1 finally equal 2. Maybe x equal 2, then 2 plus 1 equal 3, and the third point will be 2, 3. Graph the 3 points 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, then graph the line which passing through them. Okay? Right. Here we have the first line represents the first equation, which is y equal x plus 1. Do the same in the second equation. 2x plus y equal 4. I can rewrite the equation like y equal 4 minus 2x. Then start to solve or find the value of y. When x equals 0, y equal 4 minus 0 means 4. So the first point is 0, 4. Then 1, 4 minus 2 times 1 means 4 minus 2 equal 2. Finally, it will be 1, 2. Then put x equal to 4 minus 2 times 2 means 0. 4 minus 4 equals 0. So the third point is 2, 0. Then we have 3 points, 0, 4, 1, 2, 2, 2. Graph the line, and here we have the intersection point is 1, 2. So I can say that solution set equal 1, 2. And we have to check your answer and substitute x equal 1, y equal 2 in the first and the second equation. Let's have another example. Okay, solve the two equations. 2x minus y equals 6 and x plus 3y equal 10. First, start with the first equation, 2x minus y equals 6, and try to rewrite the equation y equal 2x minus 6. I'm going to remove y on the other side and 6 into the left side. Okay? Now, try to start with x and find the corresponding for y. Put x equal 0. Y will be 0 minus 6 will be -6. Then the first point, it will be 0, -6. Then put x equal 4. 2 times 4, 8. 8 minus 6 equal 2. It will be 2. So the second point equal 4, 2. Then third point, put x equal 3. 2 times 3, 6 minus 6 equal 0. So the third point is 3, 0. Then graph the 3 points, or graph the line which passing through them. And this is the first line which represents 2x minus y equal 6. Right. Let's see the other line, or the second one. X equals x plus 3y equal 10. Rewrite the equation. It will be x equal 10 minus 3y. So in this case, I'm going to put values for y and find the corresponding for x. Like 2, put y equal 2. 10 minus 3 times 2, that means 10 minus 6 is equal 4. So the first point will be 4, 2, right? Then put y equal 3. Then 10 minus 4, 3 times 4, 10 minus 10 minus 3 times 3 means 10 minus 9. Finally, it will be 1, 3, right? Then try to find 4 10 minus 3 times 4 means 10 minus 12. Finally, it will be negative 2, means negative 2 comma 4. Grab the 3 points or grab the line which passing through them. Then find the point of intersection, which is 4 comma 2. So I can say that the solution set it will be 4 comma 2. Check your answer and put 4 instead of x and 2 instead of y in the first and second equation, and if not, it will be wrong answer. It will not, if it's not satisfied, it will be wrong answer. But of course, in this case, it will satisfy. Start with another example. Here we have negative x plus 3y equals 6, 3x minus 9y equal 9. Let's graph first line, negative x plus 3y equals 6. I'm going to rewrite the equation, x equal 3y minus 6. Here I remove x, negative x to the other side and 6 into the left side, okay? Right. Let's put values for y and try to find the corresponding value for x. Right. Let's put first y equal 0. That means x will be 0 minus 6 equal negative 6. Okay, so the first point is negative 6 comma 0. Then put y equal 2. It will be 3 times 2 minus 6, and 6 minus 6 equal 0. Then the second point will be 0 comma 2. Finally, put x equal 4. 3 times 4, 12 minus 6 equal 6. So the third point is 6 comma 4. Graph the 3 points, or graph the line which passing through the 3 points, which is negative x plus 3y equals 6. Then move to the second line, 3x minus 9y equal 9. I'm going to rewrite the equation, okay? Maybe I can say that 9y, remove 9y to the right side, equal 3x minus 9. I'm going to remove 9 into the left side and the negative 9 to the right side, okay? Then I need to find y, so I'm going to divide all terms by 9. It will be 9 divided by 9 means y equal 3 over 9x minus 9 over 9. Finally, find the result. It will be 1 over 3x minus 1. Like, when you try to find or to put values for x, try to make all the values of x in table or from table 3, because the denominator is 3, so I'm going to choose all values for x from table 3. So let's start with point like 0. 1 over 3 times 0 minus 1, it will be negative 1. So the first point is 0 comma negative 1. Second point, put x equal 3. I said table 3, so it will be 1 minus 1 means 0. Finally, 3 comma 0. The point will be 3 comma 0. Then put x equal 6 or negative 3 as you like. 1 over 3 times 6 means 2 minus 1, it will be 2 finally. Then put the point 6 comma 1. Graph the line which passing through the 3 points. So I have here 2 parallel lines. There is no intersecting point or intersection point. Finally, the solution set will be phi, no solution. Let's take some notes for the previous example. Here we have the first equation with which is negative x plus 3y equals 6, and the other, I can rewrite the equation first, 3y equal 6 plus x or x plus 6. Then I need to divide by 3, right? All terms. So it will be y equal, I have beside x I have 1, so it will be 1 over 3x plus 6 over 3, it will be 2, right? So the first equation, y equal 1 over 3x plus 2. Let's remember that the equation of straight line, y equal mx plus b. M represent what? The slope of the straight line. Here I have the slope equal 1 over 3, right? Right. Let's write the second equation, which is 3x minus 9y equal 9. Try to find y, so I'm going to rewrite the equation negative 9y equal negative 3x plus 9, right? Then I need to find y, so I'm going to divide all terms by negative 9, right? So y equal negative 3 over 9 means 1 over 3 over negative 9, sorry, it will be 1 over 3x plus 9 over negative 9, it will be negative 1. Then finally the equation y equal 1 over 3x minus 1. From equation 1 and equation 2 here we have, I said that y equal mx plus b, so that slope in the first equation equal 1 over 3 and second one equal 1 over 3. And as we studied before, the parallel lines should have the or must have the same slope. So I have m1 equal m2, so the first line parallel to the second one. Finally, and of course b is different. Here I have the point b equal 0, 2, and in the second one equal 0, negative 1. So I can say that the slope of the two equations equal, so the two lines are parallel. And of course the intercepted part from the y-axis is different, so we have two different lines. Set by graphing also, I have the first line equal x equal 3y minus 1, and the second 2x minus 6y equal negative 2. Let's first graph the first line, x equals 3y minus 1. I'm going to put values for y and then find the corresponding for x. Put y equals 0. It will be 0 minus 1 means sorry, negative 1. Put the first point negative 1 comma 0. Put y equal 1. It will be 3 minus 1 means 2. Second point 2 comma 1. Third, put y equal 2. 6 minus 1 equal 5. So the third point 5 comma 2. Graph the line. First line x equal 3 y minus 1. Then 2x minus 6y equal negative 2. Try to graph it. I'm going to rewrite the equation. First, 2x equal negative 2 plus 6y, right? Then divide all terms by 2 to get x equal negative 1 plus 3y. Divide all terms by 2. Finally, I can put y equal negative 1. It will be negative 1 minus 3 means negative 4. So the first point negative 4 comma negative 1. Put y equal negative 2. يبقى 3 times negative 2 negative 6 negative 1 تبقى negative 7. The second point negative 7 comma 2. Third, put y equal 0. يبقى negative 1 plus 0 means negative 1. The third point negative 1 comma 0. Graph the line. Finally, I'm going to graph the same line. The two lines are identical here, right? So in this case, this case is called two coincident lines, means two identical lines, right? Finally, I got only one line. So I have infinite number of solutions. Any point belong to the first line, belong to the second line, okay? Type. How to write the solution set? The solution set will be any ordered pair equal x, y, such that I can write the first or the second equation, x equal 3y minus 1, or 2x minus 6y equal negative 2, and x and y belong to what? R2 means x belong to R and y belong to R, and this is the solution set. Let's have some notes for also for the previous example, here I have the first equation, which is x equal 3y minus 1. Let's put it in the form y equal mx plus b. Here I have 3y equal, rewrite the equation, 3y equal x plus 1, right? Then I have to divide all terms by 3. It will be finally y equal 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3, right? So I have here the slope equal 1 over 3 and the intercepted part equal 1 over 3 means the point of intersection with y-axis equal with y-axis equal 0, 1 over 3, right? Let's rewrite the second equation, which is 2x minus 6y equal negative 2. I can rewrite it like this, negative 6y equal negative 2x minus 2. Divide all terms by negative 6. Finally, it will be y equal 1 over 3x plus 1 over 3. Then I can say that also the slope equal 1 over 3 and the intercepted part equal 1 over 3. That means we have two identical equations. Both of them represent only one line, right? All points belong to the first line, belong to the second one, because the two equations represents only one number. So I have infinite number of solutions because the slope like the slope and the y-intercepted like y-intercepted. So finally I can say that I have many solutions for this system or for the two equations.